I'm gonna sweat. Everything's just like, it's pulling down this way, but also pulling up this way. So everything is just like, ah. If I have to go to the bathroom, I'm fricked. There's no way I'm going to the bathroom. I'm just gonna have to hold it in. Yes, to the button press.
No.
Okay, first things first. AMAB people like myself, being an Asian in general, I have tiny eyes. You know what my eyes are? Okay, now I have a kind of weird method about putting contacts in my eyes, where I balance the lens in between my two fingers like this. Then pull that one down and kind of just like shove it in there gently. See there, one eye is in. Did you see the difference in my eye sizes? They're actually gray. They're gray contacts. Never sleep with them on. There we go. Too scared to put them on? This is some practice. It took me like 3 weeks to practice getting them in properly. It was a process. All right, next step I like to do. Moisturize first. This is all I'm just using. Now, this thing, a primer. So stuff goes on your face a little more smoothly. You're female and you don't do skincare routine because it seems troublesome. Regardless of what gender you are, I think everyone should do a skincare routine and take care of your skin. Men, women, or non-binary. Just do it. Okay, next up. I just use a very cheap foundation. I literally get it from a drugstore. It works. That's the cool thing about makeup. Obviously, there's some makeup that's a little bit more expensive, a little bit better. You don't have to have it and have some really, really cheap stuff. It'll work. Now, this might be a little too light, but whatever. Now I'm just gonna like go over it with a drier powder. Right around here is a little bit caked up. Thank God for camera blurring things out for me. Now this, just a contour palette. Pro tip for AMAB, for men wanting to look more feminine. Jawline. Shade it along the outside here so it creates like a shadow. So when you put your wig on, it looks kind of like creating an artificial shadow for the wig to go on top of. Now, eyeshadow palette. There's a number of things I use this for. I use this to draw my brows, and obviously my eyes, and around my eyes, etc. Now, there was a little oopsie. I guess turbulence shook all the powder everywhere. I'm just gonna start drawing my eyebrows on. Now, Eula she doesn't have like an angry look. Okay, I'm gonna shade my eyes. Do you ever do colored eyeshadow, or do you like to stick to neutrals? Generally, I like to stick to neutrals, but lately I've been like going along the bottom and doing more like a gold shadow kind of thing, just to kind of help pop it out a bit more. Oh, right now I'm putting like white under my eye. I don't have a pencil, so I'm just using like shadow. Okay, the fun part. This goddamn thing. My favorite liquid eyeliner. This is the thing that'll make my eyes look really big or really bad. One of the two things that you absolutely need if you want to make big anime eyeball. Okay. Woo! I'm transforming, yes. This is what happens when you play too much Genshin Impact. You turn into the character you play too much. Literally, proven facts. If you play Genshin Impact, you will turn into the character you last played. Try it out. You can't become your wife. You will. You will become your own wife. Now, a whole bunch of eyelashes to help really bring out the eyes even more. To get the lashes on, I have to use this glue. Not my favorite glue. My favorite glue is actually in Japan, but I can't order it. This is the part that kind of sucks. Tips on applying eyelashes? Pray. One. Oh. So what I like to do now, underneath each here is kind of not covered by this, so I'm just gonna go back in and just like, does this scare anybody? There. I'll make fake bottom lashes. Done. Now the ever so slightly, I've ruined the joke. The joke was, this says Mario, but I wanted to say Chris Pratt because he's voicing the Mario in the Mario movie, so it was kind of funny, right? Just like a little bit of blush, not too strong though. Double down, explain the joke. That's the meta right now, explaining the joke. I think we can do the wig right now. This one's the new one. All right, let's see here. So here's the wig. What do you guys think? How's this color? Definitely gotta trim the bangs later. Just gonna fluff this up a bit. All right, time to become the farm person. Oh. This is what I would look like if I was bald. And because I have a massive head, I have to hook them at like the furthest I possibly can. And sometimes they stitch it just a little too close and I can't even get that last hook. Okay, which way did Eula's hair part? It goes like this, then it like collects in the middle and then splits across the eyes again. Hairstyle I hate the most. Can't believe Eula was a streamer all along. I think this color is good though. The other one I have is really dark and the other one I have is like more green, I feel. I think I like this one a lot. So she has this headband thing as well. And I have to like fit underneath the hair. Now, this is supposed to flare out this way, but I don't have wig gel or hairspray or anything with me. One more thing, this thing. It's on her left side of the head. How's that? Almost done, not quite there. This lipstick to seal the deal. This one's from Urban Decay. It's just like a neutral color. It's not like too pink, it's not too like dark. It's just like a lip color that'll just pop out a bit more. These bangs are not cooperating. I'm gonna redo this bit. Where did I get the Eula cosplay? This is a mix of Uwowo and Doki Doki. The outfit itself, Uwowo. These are from Doki Doki. Uwowo. Everything else is Uwowo. The socks mostly. The gloves are gonna be from Doki Doki. I think this will be as good as it's gonna get. Anyone want this? $300. Wait, one other thing. Setting spray. I'm Eula now. Wait, no, not Eula quite yet. Shoes. Oh yeah, the gloves. You're right. Everything's so tight. Ah! Let the chafing commence. Now I know how Eula feels. I don't think Eula knows what having a... Let's not talk about that. Because that's the part that I'm suffering about right now. Oh, God. Press the button. Imagine my heels are now on the button. Yeah! What? Perfect timing. This thing's a bit awkward to put on still. Yeah. It's easier when you got like a friend over helping you put stuff on. Come on. Come on. Oh, there. The Eulification is complete. Jesus Christ, my butt. It's so round. I still don't like how the front of the wig looks. But that's probably because I need to trim the bangs still. So here are the details though. What do you think of this? What's button press for? So I, as Eula, with my shoes, like this.
Oh!
Wait a minute. What if I put a camera on the ground? If this crashes the stream, oh God. Ah, what is this? Oh, there's all my legs. Haha, I just saw them. So the camera's right there. Oh God. What kind of stream is this? This is so bad. Press the button. That's the worst sound. Is this allowed on Twitch? I mean, I'm wearing clothes. Who's gonna stop me? I guess nobody. Oh, that's disgusting. Because that could actually happen. What if I like stepped on someone's like stomach? Anyway, no more feet redeem for now. Feet redeem going away. It's getting a little weird. All right, I need to like sit down. Oh wait, the camera's still up. Uh-oh. It's looking like right at my thighs. That's great. I am not doing this on purpose. I swear to God. Now you can see all this. Is this what you wanted? This lap? I have Baron Bunny on my lap. I have to go get it from my room. You want the Baron Bunny? I have two Baron Bunny because C2. There. Bunny camera. How is that? One looks a little... This is the official one. One that actually looks, you know, a little bit better. Do you want this Baron Bunny? What do you want more? Eula thighs or Baron Bunny? Pick one. Rin, how easy is it to go to the bathroom in Eula cosplay? You can't. So with this costume here, it zips in... Like, I have to take this collar off. And it zips down the front to here. I had to like wrestle my way into this because you have to pull it up and then pull it over in because this is all like one piece. I cannot go to the bathroom. So this is the kind of cosplay you can't go to like a convention in and expect to like eat food. You have to go out in it and don't eat anything until like dinner time and then get dressed. There's no other way. And if you do decide to eat food, it's gonna get really tight because it's pulling up and down at the same time, this whole thing. It's so tight.